Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to review Sirona Pain Relief Patch. This is a feminine patch that is specially made for females to ease menstrual cramps. It's made in India and these patch are 100% herbal and are the must for women during those monthly troublesome days. Sirona Pain Relief Patch works on this simple formula. It relaxes the muscle and provides discreet, continuous and non-messy relief from pain and muscle cramps. On opening the pack, one can immediately get this strong fragrance of eucalyptus. I expected a really thin film-like patch, but this turned out to be more of a bandage-like texture. In a few seconds, I felt that light cooling sensation, and after a while a warm feeling and a drop in the pain. Ingredients: menthol, mentha piperata, eucalyptus oil, eucalyptus globulus leaf oil. This comes in packs of 5 strips in a neat foil, resealable packaging. The outer foil is a Ziploc so can easily seal in the remaining strips. It retains for Rs 292 and will get best discount online. One must-buy product for ladies.